Little portable lights come in handy for everyday use, and today we are sharing our experience of using one such flexible light, this portable USB LED lamp by Inventis. The size is handy and easy to carry, that also makes it high on practicability and versatility. If you need a little illumination on your keyboard, in places with no outlet support for power, or if you would like a portable light lamp, this product is very convenient. The light stick can be twisted and bent without breaking, so we can change angles and use this to shine light according to our needs. It can be powered by a standard USB outlet, car charger, power bank, or even laptops.